Good morning, students. In this video I will explain how to enter the elements in two-dimensional array, how to perform the calculations on them, and how to display them. In case of two-dimensional array, the programming of matrices is in your syllabus. Now matrices are also the part of your mathematics. These are the sums. So before understanding the programming, we should know how the matrices works, how the sums of matrices are solved. Okay. So first of all, I am giving you some introduction about the matrices to you mathematically. Okay. Because if the mathematically logic, you will be aware about that mathematical logic, then only the programming will be easy. So always when you are doing the programming, think mathematically. So first of all, I am showing you what is the matrix. Students, matrix in math, it is written like this. The name of matrix is there, like suppose A is the name of the matrix. Then we have entered the elements in 3 by 3 order. Okay. So 3 by 3 order. So it is means 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, and this is column number 1, column number 2, and this is column number 3. Okay. Similarly, we have taken the matrix B and the elements are entered in the matrix. For example, I have entered these elements and the matrix is of order 3 by 3. It means 3 rows and 3 columns. So mean total 9 elements are there in matrix A and 9 elements are there in matrix B. So when simple mathematically, when we are adding two variables, then how we are writing C is equal to A plus B. But in case of matrices, when we have to add the matrices, then what we will write? We will write a subscript along with that. C. Then after that subscript. How to write the subscript? You know that P Q, okay, equal to A P Q plus B P Q. Okay. So it means P and Q are the looping variables. Just like in the matrices we will take two loops. First loop is for the rows and second loop is for the column. So 3 loops will be there. Okay, students. So now how to do? First of all, I am this program I am explaining when the elements are given to you. Addition of given matrices of order 3 by 3. So the class name is method. After that, public static void main string argument. Then declaration of the looping variables. Then the elements of matrix A, elements of matrix B. Now C will be our resultant matrix, so that is declared. Now see, this is first row, this is second row, this is row first, row second, and this is row third. And in B matrix also, this is a row first, this is row second, and this is row third. Okay. So 3, like this we are writing in the curly braces the elements are written separated by comma and outer then curly braces, and the third matrix is declared. So this is about the initialization, how to take the elements if the elements are given in the matrix. Okay. Now next is how to add. Now students, how to add? We will take two variable loops, P loop, Q loop. Now how this loop will work, I am explaining. See, P loop will go from 0 to 3 and Q loop will also go from 0 to 3, means 0, 1, 2. Okay. So when the value of P will be 0, Q will go for 0, 1, 2. 3 times will go. Okay. So when Q will become 3, it is terminated because it is less than 3. Then value of P is 1. Q will be Q again, the value of Q will be 0, 1, 2. and if the value of p is 2, then the value of again q will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, so in this way, mean a q loop will go 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 times a q loop will go, and a p loop will go 3 times. Okay, so what is first p will be 0, q will be 0. So what will be our memory locations? See, first 0, 0, then p will be 0, q will be 1, p will be 0, then q will be 2. After that p will be 1, q 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, this is p, this is q. Then p will become 2, q will be again 0, 2, 1, then 2, 2. So the elements will be, after adding, the elements will come at these memory locations. Okay students, now the next point is how to display the matrix in the matrix form. Students, this is an ICSE question. Once there was in the board, it was the question that write a program to add two matrices and print the resultant matrix in the matrix form. Many years back it was a question in the exam. So very simple program. Now how to display in the matrix form? Matrix form means like this. This is the matrix form. Okay, so just like in the pattern programming, first of all take two loops. This first loop is for the rows, second loop is for the column, and then we are displaying our this elements. CPU we are displaying. After that little bit space, because you know that this is, after that here must be space. If you will not put the space, then it will come like this. So it will become 246. Okay, so matrix form, little bit space must be there. Okay, that first of all we will take a print statement. After that we will take a println statement. Okay, because after printing the first line, the loop should come to the next line, then third line. So here print statement will work, but when you have to go to the next line, then the println statement will work. Okay students, so in this way you can add the two, first of all you will take the two matrices. Okay, then the third matrix will be declared. Then you have added these two matrices with the help of the loops, and after that with the help of the loops you have displayed this third matrix in the matrix form. Okay, so this was the program how to add two matrices if the values are not given to you. Now our next program is write a program to add two matrices if the values are if in the first program the values are given to you, and in the second program the values are not given to you. To write to add any two matrices, then elements you will enter with the help of the keyboard. So for keyboard entry you need import java.util. After that class name, then after that public static void main, after that scanner class object. Then now elements are not given, so if the elements are given then you are taking like this. Okay, and if the elements are not given then you are declaring like this. Three matrices you will declare. Now after that enter. First enter the matrix A. Okay, message should come only one time. Then take two nested loops. Then with the help of next int method, the element will go to the PQ. Okay, A matrix the elements will go in A matrix. Similarly for the B matrix, element for the B matrix. Okay, then after that there is addition of matrices, and after that there is a display of matrices with the help of nested loops. With the help of nested loops. Okay, so students, in this way we can deal with the matrices when the elements are given to you and when the elements are not given to you. So students, watch this video, and if there is any doubt, ask me about your doubt, because our next program will be based upon this concept. You should know the concept first of all, then the other programming of searching and sorting will you can understand. Without understanding how to enter, how to display, how to calculate, you can't understand that also. So it is very important to watch these videos and just understand the concept. If any point is not clear to you, any doubt comes in your mind, ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.